Today, we're learning how to separate the audio layer from a video clip, a handy feature when you want to mute the original sound, add music, or make voiceovers fit perfectly. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and import your video clip into the timeline. Now, tap on the video to select it. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Extract Audio. Tap on that. In an instant, CapCut pulls the audio out and places it as a blue waveform track below the video. Now you have full flexibility. You can delete the audio, move it around, or even adjust its volume without affecting your video footage. This is especially useful when you're working with background noise you want to remove, or when you're planning to replace the original audio with music or narration. And that's it. You've successfully separated the audio in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more bite-sized CapCut tutorials.